This video, I'm going to talk about catalysts. A catalyst is a substance that increases reaction rate by providing an alternative pathway or decreasing the activation energy. So it's basically making the reaction go faster. There are two different types of catalysts. They can be either homogeneous or heterogeneous, and that depends on the state of matter they are. And I will be talking about that in a little bit. So the way a catalyst works is, look at this graph right here. We have energy and reaction progress. So this is how the reaction would go if there were no catalyst in it. So if you add a catalyst to this, you will make this go faster by you decreasing the activation energy in an alternative pathway. So it would go something like this. We would start in the same point, and it would end like this. Maybe have like another hill and go down. So look that it starts in the same point and it finishes in the same point. It's what goes in the middle what makes it matter. So instead of going all the way up here and taking all of that time, you can go to a lower place with a lower activation energy and take less time to achieve the product. So all the catalyst is doing is helping the reaction reach the end quicker. So now let's see what are the two types of catalysts. So as I said before, we have homogeneous catalysts and heterogeneous catalysts, and that just depends on the state of matter. So for a homogeneous catalyst, the catalyst is going to be in the same phase as the reaction components. So that means is if the reactants are in solid state, the catalyst is going to be a solid as well. So solid would be also solid. And one thing to note about catalysts is you add them at the beginning of the reaction and they exit at the end of the reaction. So they're not part of the products. Now for heterogeneous catalysts, the catalyst is going to be in a different phase than the reaction components. So in this case, if you had a solid, the catalyst could be a liquid or a gas. So it usually goes like carbon is the solid, and your catalyst is going to be, say, hydrogen, which is a gas. This is a catalyst. And then we have the reaction components, so that could be the reactants. Or the products. But again, remember, when the catalyst isn't really part of the reaction, so you add it in the beginning and it will exit by itself in the end. It's just making the reaction go faster, and then it just exits. And those are catalysts. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful, and if you did, please subscribe to see more videos like this one.